Follow me and train your brain and memory. Which bird is the fastest animal on Earth when in a dive? B. Peregrine falcon. What is the term for a group of owls? A. Parliament. Which bird is the symbol of peace? C. Dove. What is the smallest bird species in the world? B. Bee hummingbird. Follow me and write the scores in the comments. Ready for the last question? Which bird is known for its ability to mimic a wide range of sounds, including car alarms and chainsaws? C. Common starling.